What's up, guys? So today I'm going to cut open this Whistling Pete and see what's inside. So let's get into it. I'm going to break this off first. I personally just want to cut this open and see what's in there because I personally don't really know what's really in here and everything. So cut it open like that. It's a bad cut. See, I'll cut it open a little bit more. Okay, so pick up this top layer, get a little bit farther down. Oh wow. So all this is just empty cardboard. There's nothing in there. I got this, so let's cut open this. Try to get a clean cut. Alright. Just gonna pop it open now. A little more. So wow, that looks like it's just some stuff. Looks like, what is this? I'm not sure what this is. It's kind of like consistency of chalk. It's making a mess. I don't really know what I'm looking for. Some flash. I don't know. This might be the stuff that whistles. Not really sure, but that was just all that was in there out of a full one. So yeah, there's actually just a lot of cardboard. They don't need all that cardboard. It's just a waste of space. So yeah, I just thought I would cut this open and show you guys what's in there. I'm not really sure what this is, but maybe some of you guys do. So leave in the comments what this is. Sorry, my young pyro. I don't know a lot of this stuff. Looks like some flash. It's the brown. Not really sure. So, yeah, guys. Peace out.